look in the door jamb and you pop this clip out from right here, the Torx head, put it in there, unscrew the screw. The screw only come out so far. It's got a little cradle. Pop this up very gently. I usually put tape around my screw tip. Then you take this, click it, and then gently remove it. And you can just pull these off gently. When I say gently, and you got door handle off. You have to put it back on. It'll let you know. I always put the front end in first. The rest of it kind of falls right where it's supposed to. Make sure there's in place. Put this in gently, real gently. It'll fall right in there. When it gets to there, hold your hand right here and just pop it back on there. You can feel that it's on there. Drop that in there. Torx the screw, which is already sitting there waiting on you, and you're done. Maybe show this one here. Maybe be able to get this one. Okay, with this one you get the ends. This was completely apart. I think I got it on camera, don't I? Kinda. Okay, completely apart, so you gotta connect it. You find these 4 little tabs. They clip, then they push forward and clip right on. Right on the door like that. They clip real gently. Take these tabs that I showed you in the back door. They fit on there, they won't go nowhere. You gotta do all this gently. This door has some wires that need to be fed through there ever so gently. Woo! That's a good sound. That's a good sound. Put that bad boy on there. Tighten it up and you are done.